Milind Sharma joining us there, who's been tracking the developments. Milind, finally, the big news is here. Here is the vaccination drive to begin in India on the 16th of January. The wait finally ends. Of course, the big question, when is my turn? We do know, when I say my turn, this is a common question that people are asking. We do know frontline and healthcare workers are prioritized. But how does the government plan to go about this? The entire population, by when do we expect to be inoculated?
Well, Nabila, that's a very important question. And first of all, on January 16, India will enter the list of countries that have begun vaccinating their population against the coronavirus. And that itself is going to be a mammoth exercise that India will undertake on the 16th of January. The official announcement has been made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, when are we and you and I and the common man going to get access to the vaccine? That would likely happen after the government is able to vaccinate enough number of people. First line of priorities, of course, the healthcare workers, the frontline workers, which are about 3 crore in total. After that, the 50 years and above population, the elderly, the 27 crore population, they will be vaccinated. So it might just take by the mid-year for the common man or the youth in the country to get access to vaccine doses. Very crucially, Covishield and Covaxin are the two ones that have been provided approval on emergency use. And certainly these are the vaccines that will be used, first of all, to inoculate the 30 crore population. For you and I, Nabila, and many others who are waiting for a vaccine shot, we'll have to wait till the mid of the year to reach there.
All right. I think we're all willing to wait. Of course, the frontline workers have got to get their priority. But Milind, a question that's still lurking on how do the high-risk groups, of course, we understand that the government have already collected data, but many of them who are eligible in the first round, a lot of them may not have given their details as yet. Is there a place, is there a center, is there a hospital that they could go, or an app where they could register themselves, considering they are in the high-risk category?
Well, absolutely, Nabila. In fact, this is a very, common misconception that people will have access to government's CoWIN app right now. So the government has made it very clear. They have already populated the data of the 1 crore healthcare workers, 79 lakh of which have been registered on the CoWIN app. That's the government's official data. And 2 crore frontline workers, that will include ASHA workers, police personnel, army personnel, sisters working on the ground there, working for the community services, etc. These are the ASHA workers, ANM workers who will be vaccinated. But for the elderly population of the 27 crore people, the government will open access to the CoWIN app where their data will be stored. That has not happened yet. In the light of a lot of fake apps that are circulating in the market, the government has made it very clear they have not opened access to that CoWIN app for you and I and the 50-plus population. So when they will do that, an official announcement will be made, and that is when people will have access to CoWIN to register for the vaccine shot.
Excellent. Milind, thank you very much for giving us those details. Much needed information here. Remember, several apps, fake apps, that's quite similar to that of the CoWIN app presented by the government that's doing the rounds. The government has warned the vaccination drive has begun, but do not log on to just any app. The CoWIN app per se is not yet open to public at large. The government has already ramped up the data, initial data of the frontline and healthcare workers who will be given priority first. So for general public, wait for the app to open up in just due course of time. In a couple of months from now, that this should happen. In fact, the government has said by June, July, the first high-risk groups, about 3 crore odd population, will be inoculated.